Glazbene večeri su otvorene, glazba je ponovno u gradu, dođite na poluotok i uživajte u klasici.
Draga publika, otvorili smo glazbene večeri, ja vas pozivam da dolazite na sve koncerte koji će biti ove godine.
I felt really, wonderful and happy playing here, and I think the audience also could feel that kind of special energy of the place.
I've never been here, and it's a wonderful discovery. It's paradise here. It's absolutely stunning. The first thing I saw before we made music tonight was the organ, the sea organ, and I was amazed.